This is a Hunter 1930s original ceiling fan in the white finish with chrome accents. I do not know the year for this fan because there is no date tag or serial. So I know it's from the early 90s because it has the early 12-degree blade arms and it has the normal style canopy because the later ones had those swivel canopies, which I like better, but these normal canopies are usually more rare to find, but I still like the swivel ones better. So this one I got off of Facebook Marketplace in the Detroit area too. This fan was $20 and it also included a bunch of generic fan club. Is that brand? I'm not sure what it is. Blade arms and blades and stuff like that, and all of it was new in box, and I think I'm going to throw it away if nobody wants it because they are trash. But this fan was not new in box, but it's basically like new in box because it's in very good condition. It's like mint. The blade arms are all balanced. The fan doesn't wobble. The light is there. It isn't cracked. The light pan is a bit bent, but I can bend it back, which is why you can see the light is a bit it's a bit droopy. And the down rod for some reason is just a normal rod. It's not a Hunter down rod because it's just bare steel. But I'm probably going to sell this fan on eBay soon because I don't really like the white one, and I will have the teal one from Joshua McIntyre soon. The Hunter tag is yellowed as usual, and we'll start this fan on the light. I put two 25-watt bulbs in there, so it's not bright at all. And now off, and we're going to do low speed. So this is low speed, it does hum a bit, and I did put oil in it. The chrome is in very good shape. When I got it, this fan was covered in like mud or something, but it cleaned up nicely, and it's like brand new now. And this previous owner bought a bunch of stuff from a auction, and then he sold the stuff he didn't need, and this was one of them. The previous owner wrapped everything up in bubble wrap and such, and even took off the blade irons from the blade arms and the canopy and down around off the fan and light from the fan. So he packed it like he was shipping a fan, but I picked it up. Medium speed. It's quiet. And it's moving a lot of air already. It's probably the most powerful fan in the room. And now high speed. This is high speed. It's very powerful. And now off. And as you can see, it doesn't wobble, which is great. The blades are a bit yellow as usual. And I'm not going to show reverse because the reverse switch is all the way up in the switch housing. Some close-up shots. There's the tap. Original mounting bracket. Diamond canopy. It's mounted on a wire mold box. It's not supposed to, but I mounted it on it anyway because it's only going to be here for like 2 days. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.